All right, today we're going to bring a water bladder, and this is perfect if you're going to go camping or you work in construction and you need concrete to make in a place that there's no water. This is perfect for fire preventions too. You could use this and have it as an emergency. It has two very hardened clips that you could actually hang this too also, so it could bring the water towards down. You could even elevate this so the actual automatically will drip to the bottom. All right, this is great. They give you the actual extra extensions, caps, and a patch in case you get a hole, and also some plumber's tape, glue, and an extra O-ring if you need it in here. There's two of them. All right, so we're gonna put this together. We're gonna actually set it up in here, and we're gonna fill it up in our truck and see how well it works. What I'm doing, I'm actually plugging in my water hose here. I could lock it in place, and I capped up the other one, but once in a while I'll open it up for pressure if it gets too high. But right now we're actually filling it up, and you guys can see gallons: 8 gallons, 10 gallons, 13 gallons, 15 gallons, and 21, and these are liters. All right, so right now we're at 13 gallons, and this thing's blowing up, inflating itself. All right, we maxed it up already. It's gonna fill up. There's still some air in here, so we're gonna turn off the water and then lock in the actual place. All right, so we just finally took it off, and took me wrenches, a couple of wrenches to do this. But look at this, I got the water here that I can just push the water, drip it out. So we're gonna test it out and drop it in the ground and see how strong this thing is. So let's see how durable this thing is. A couple pounds. Put this thing down. There it is. Couple pounds. Oh, couple pounds. Very durable, easy bladder, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.